If you see couldn't update, something went wrong with the update. While updating Valorant, don't worry. This usually happens because of network issues, corrupted update files, or Riot Client problems. Here's how to fix it step by step. First, restart your PC. A reboot clears temporary files or processes that may block the update. Next, run the Riot Client as administrator. Right-click the launcher and select Run as Administrator to ensure proper permissions. Now, repair Valorant. Open the Riot Client, Settings, Repair. This checks for corrupted or missing update files and fixes them automatically. After that, check your internet connection. Use a stable wired or Wi-Fi connection. Avoid VPNs, proxies, or mobile hotspots, which can disrupt updates. Also, disable antivirus and firewall temporarily. Security software can block the update process. Make sure the Riot Client is allowed through your firewall. If the error persists, clear the Riot Client cache. Go to c/riotgames/riotclient/data and delete the cache folder. Then restart the client. Finally, reinstall Valorant and Riot Client as a last resort. This ensures all update files are fresh and complete. In most cases, repairing the client and ensuring a stable connection fixes the update error quickly.
If this tutorial saved you time, like the video, subscribe to LearnBase, and ask your next question below.